You want a fun snack? I don't know what this would be. Maybe an appetizer, something to bring to like one of those parties. This. Some sausage and some cheese. So all I'm going to do is add in some pepper jack, because I love pepper jack cheese, into my bowl. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. That is important. And then we're going to use some cheddar, because cheddar is better. Okay. I hand shred my own cheese. I don't really care for the bag cheese already. And I just put it in these airlock containers. Red Lobster, if it's still a thing for you, you're lucky, because ours is out of business. Some skizzes. Pour it on in. And then your sausage. I went with the Nice's. This is actually a really good sausage. It's a little pricey. It's like $4.99. You can get cheaper sausage. You can. Don't matter. I just like the flavor of this one. We're going to take our pork. We're just going to drop it. We're going to mix it all in. I should have got a bigger bowl. Oh, well there. Hey there, Georgie. The smell permeating from my oven is divine. Okay. Look what we created. Look at it. Oh. They smell amazing. I know they're going to be piping hot. Do I dare? Okay. It's a little butter and herb pack thing. Country butter in a bowl. Preferably a blue and white china looking bowl. Melt it. Dip it in the butter. Pop it on. Just gently. Not abusive. We're not judge them. We're gonna eat them. Hi. Sausage ball. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh, cheese. Oh, well, hello there. Taste test. Well, this is Jerry, my wife. They are actually very good. Never made sausage balls before, and these are where it's at.